Hi,
Hello.
welcome to Getting Lit with Terri and Lara. Today we're going to be having some fun with some tropical stuff. Because, I know, right? Because we live in the gloomy PNW.
I know.
And it's been gray for days, weeks, months, years.
Who knows?
Pretty much. So today what we're going to do, we're going to have some fun with some tropical drinks. One drink called the painkiller to kill the pain of the gray. Yeah. And also, because you know what? You don't have to go places to have fun. You can have fun at home. We want to feel the tropics, so we're going to bring the tropics to us and not go places spreading COVIDs.
Yeah.
Stay your asses at home.
No Mexico, no Caribbean, no Puerto Vallarta.
Those places will still be there when this is all over, and you will have not infected people.
Stay home.
Yep. Anyway, on with the drink.
Okay, so we need our mixer, right?
We do. I have my mixer here, my giant pineapple. And she's going to put some lovely ice in there for me. Awesome. All right, so we start off with 4 ounces of pineapple juice.
Ooh.
The juices of the pineapples.
The pineapples?
The 1 ounce of the orange juice. And 1 ounce of cream de cocoa.
Oh no, the cocoa go everywhere.
No. It's a coconut.
Ooh, that's good.
Yeah, it is good. Okay, what do we got here?
You know, I almost think you should put more orange juice in there.
More orange juice?
Yeah,
Really?
I like a little sweeter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, do you think the orange juice is a sweet one?
I think there's a lot of sweet. Yeah. Maybe a little pineapple too.
A little pineapple too?
And why not? Let's mix it up.
You know the nice thing about making your own drinks? You can just add what you want.
You got some of those cherries over there? Put some of those in there too.
No, that's all I got for the
No,
garnish.
there's some over there.
No, I put them away.
There's some garnished cherries
No,
right
those
there.
are mine. Those are mine for later. Stop it. Stop it. All right, now the good part. The booze.
The rum.
Ah.
So are we doing the big one or the little one?
We're going to do the big one.
Okay.
I'm going to do the big one. And I'm going to do 1 of these.
Ooh.
And then I'm going to do a half of
Oh,
that.
well, you should have flipped it over.
Yeah.
Because that's a half.
Sometimes it's easier.
Sometimes it's better to
All right.
eyeball it. Now you're going to shake it.
I am. You know, I think I might put the nutmeg in it, even though it says to put it on the top. I think I'm going to put the nutmeg in it because I feel like I like the taste of nutmeg.
You like the nutty ones.
I do. In men and in drinks. Oh no!
All about the nuts.
Oh no!
Did you put too much nuts in there?
I may have.
Okay, we're ready.
Well, hang on. I gotta shake it. We gotta shake it. One, shaking the pineapple. Shake the pineapple.
Shaking our pineapples.
Oh my God! It's going crazy over here with the pineapple.
It's so big. That's
The problem is that this stuff is so thick. If I don't shake the crap out of it, it doesn't break up.
Tired?
Got my workout for the day.
I bet you did.
Oh, okay.
That's what you're not.
There we go.
Oh, it goes in. Ooh, look at it.
Ooh, nice and frothy.
I know, right in there. Okay.
All right. Laura's going to do some lovely garnishing on that. I'm going to lick the coconut stuff off the spoon.
Here, you can eat a piece of pineapple while we wait.
Mmm.
There you go, eat the pineapple.
With the pineapple. Mmm.
We got these beautiful little like pins that are actually pineapples also. Kind of a little bit interesting since it's a pineapple drink. Put it right through there.
That's really good with that coconut.
And we garnish.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I know.
You want to give a close-up?
And do you have yours?
Oh, I do, but I thought you were going to walk it up to the camera.
Oh, I can do it later.
Okay. I made mine earlier, and it's very, very good. Chink.
Oh, no! Pineapple down! Okay, are you ready? Are we going to take a sip? Oh, that's really good. I'm glad you added this your juice to mine. That's really good. You want to try?
I do.
Mine's a little different. We added a little more juice. I actually kind of like the more juice.
Ooh. Ooh.
Boozy.
Oh man, that's good.
Yeah, best part about having fruit on your drink.
Same reason I like Bloody Marys.
Mm-hmm. A meal.
snack and a drink.
Exactly.
Oh, I feel like I dribbled on myself a little bit with that.
This is all of a sudden.
With the pineapple. Whoo.
This has turned into a mukbang.
I know, right? Mukbang. Oh, and the cherries. Huh?
I know, right?
Like I said,
So bad, but so good.
the garnishes, man. The garnishes.
I
And
know.
the drink is good, too. I feel like I'm sitting in the sun somewhere on a beach with half-naked people.
Not you, though. Just
No,
them.
no. No, I'm sitting under a bunch of umbrellas, trying not to get burnt. When I lived in Puerto Rico, we flew down there from New York. And a couple days after we got there, my partner and I went to the beach. And, oh my God, can you say sun poisoning? We're talking the late 70s. I didn't have any sunblock or anything like
Well, they
that
didn't
on.
believe in it back then.
And I was so pasty white coming from a New York winter down to Puerto Rico. It was a very painful time in my life. I could have used some of these drinks.
I know, they would have taken it away, right?
Painkiller.
Mm-hmm.
I say 5 stars.
5 stars, yeah.
Yeah. Yum.
5 pineapples.
5 pineapples. Anyway, till we meet again, stay your ass at home.
Stay lit. Oh yeah, we should probably subscribe and like to our channel.
Like and subscribe. Yeah.
Sometimes we forget.
Down
Too
below.
many drinks.
Well, we've had a few too many samples.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, have a wonderful week, and we'll see you next time.
Hula into the future.